I'm going to remove this shift linkage next, and I think it'll make it a little easier to get the sludge out of here. But first I want to take a good look at it to make sure I can get it back on right. The shift arm I'll probably leave on here. This part looks like it goes over the shift drum to turn the gears. There's 3 springs. There's a spring here, which I'll probably leave on. There's a stiffer spring here connecting these 2 parts. And there's a torsion spring back here. You can see some of the coils of it. One of the arms goes up and wraps around this part right here. And I can't see at this point where the other arm goes. I'll probably see when I get this off. Looks like we have a nut and a washer, maybe a lock washer, another washer under here. And there's a bolt here and a washer, and then that spring. And we'll see what's under here. I'll take this off. I'm going to take this off first. Okay, I loosened this up already. And under here we have the washer. Lock washer. Flat washer. And then we have this arm. And it's a little bit off this cutout. I'm not sure what that is. It might be the neutral position, but it doesn't really matter right now. I'm going to take the spring off. Okay, the arm came off too. There's a little wheel here. Okay, there's a couple more pieces down here. Some kind of a funny looking spacer. And another, I don't know if it's another shift stopper. It's got a wheel on it too. Okay, we have this flat washer here. It was on here. And this funny looking connection with some sludge on it. Okay, now we have this bolt. I'm trying to hold it where my hand's not in the way of the camera. It's a little awkward. There's a washer behind it. It looks like this piece will come off. Oh, I just slipped the springs off of it. It looks like the bottom spring was attached right here. This other one must have been over here. It's the only way it could be. Okay. So this is the way it's oriented. Oh, there's a another one of those funny looking spacers. It looks the same as the other one. Let me see if it is. No, the other one was thinner. This is the one I took off first. Okay, I could probably take this off, but I don't think I will. I think we're good enough here. I can get to this sludge now. Well, I can also see the oil strainer. Move the camera so you can see it too. See inside there? So I think I'll take that off next. It'd be interesting to see what's inside that. I've moved around to the right-hand side of the engine now, and I'm going to remove the oil strainer, which is under this cover here, and the neutral light switch, which is under here. Here's the wire that goes up to it. Goes up to the light. I already loosened up these Phillips screws, and they were on real tight. I had to use an impact driver. The Honda shop manual recommends replacing these screws with hex head screws, and one of them, I believe it was this one here, is in the way of the frame, so they recommended use one that is 3 millimeters shorter than these other ones. Okay, I guess I loosened these up already, and I got this here to catch the oil if any more leaks out. All right, let's see how hard this is to get off. Okay, the gasket's sticking a little bit. Here's what it looks like on the inside. And I think this oil strainer will just pull right out. All right, I'll take these 3 screws off and see what's under there. Okay, the 3 screws are out now. Let's see how this comes off. Pretty clean inside, considering all the sludge in the engine. Anyway, that's it. It's off. Now I'll clean up a little bit. I'll probably tip the engine a little bit and see if some oil will come out. And now for the neutral switch. I mean the neutral light switch. Okay, there's this bolt here and a little tab to hold it in. I'm not sure how that comes out. Do I want to take a chance on ruining it. Yeah, I think yes, because there's oil leaking around here. I want to change the oil O-ring under it. Okay, that's what it looks like. I put that screw back in so I could have something to pull on. And I don't see any O-ring. Oh yeah, there's an O-ring inside here. And there's a little ball here that, shot some oil out. Probably what makes a connection. I imagine I could check that with an ohm meter.